Hoover rechargeable cordless vacuum is by far the best purchase I've made all year. And I'll show you why. I love it so much. I actually enjoy vacuuming again. The thing I like most about it is this swivel. You know, you can get everywhere. And when you're pulling it back, you can feel and hear the dirt being picked up. If you do it a few times, you can feel the deep down dirt just being pulled up. It's a great, great vacuum. Easy to maintain. Good 3-hour charge on the battery. I would rather have this and empty this little cartridge out there, 5 times than have to handle and clean a big vacuum. So, great, great product. Highly recommend it.